Oh, missed him. It's a nice tug though. And he took the bait. Now, they're getting something playing with the cheese here on the left. Love to think it's a cod, but they don't usually play with it like that. So, and of course, now I'm getting a bite on the worms. Anyway, oh, nice one jumped across. There we go. I think we've hooked into the first fish with our new rod. Oh, it's not very big. Not very big. Just a smallish carp. Oh, I've gotten tangled with the other rod. There we go. Well, surprise, surprise. First catch on the new rod, and it's a carp. And about 25 centimeters. So we're on the board this morning, so that's good. Would really like to catch something bigger. Well, I think we hooked into another one. This is the one I thought might be a turtle, just the way it was playing with it. No, it's not a turtle. It's a carp. Feisty guy. Well, I was wrong. It wasn't a turtle, but just another little carp. Oh, jeez. That's about the same size as the other one. So that's two, and it's only been about 45 minutes, so not too bad. Well, good day everyone, and welcome back. It's been very busy at work and very hectic. Haven't been able to get out and fish in over a week now, and only have about an hour and a half today. But wanted to try out the new rod, see if we could catch something on it. As you did, caught that one carp. He wasn't very big, but you know, that was one, and then just caught one on the other rod. So we got two. I got about another 45 minutes. Really hoping to catch something a bit bigger, just see how that rod performs. Well, unfortunately my time is up. Hour and a half goes by quick. Quite a few bites, nothing big. Caught the two. One on the new one on the semi-new rod. And yeah, so it wasn't too bad. It was nice to get out this afternoon. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.